short people problems, right? You buy a house with high ceilings and then you can't clean the ceiling fans. So I'm going to do it with my Enviro wand that I detached from its handle and attached to the mop handle. Remember, the mop handle is telescopic, so I can extend it as I need. The Enviro wand is bendable. So I'm going to charge this up because it works on that static electricity and clean my ceiling fan blades. You see that? Ugh. Wonderful. Now I'm going to flip it over and do that again. I just want to make sure that I've gotten all of that off of there. That chenille side's going to pick up very well. You can go ahead up, clean around the fan here. No need for a ladder. I have that telescopic handle.